Hello, my friends. Welcome to our puppet show. Today's story is about the monkey and the turtle, a tale of cleverness and, well, let's just say, dishonest dealings.
Well, here I am. Are you ready for a story of incredible intelligence?
Don't boast too much. Intelligent isn't just about being deceitful. So our story begins. Kiko the monkey was very angry. He saw Lola Pagong with a basket full of delicious mangoes.
Wow, so many mangoes. Can I have a taste, Lola Pagong?
Oh, Kiko, you're so clever. These mangoes are for my family.
I have an idea. Lola Pagong, let's play a game. Whoever reaches the other side of the river first gets all the mangoes.
Kiko and Lola Pagong race to the river. Kiko quickly climbs a tree and jumps across, while Lola Pagong slowly makes her way across the river. Kiko, being quick and agile, easily won the race, but did they share the mangoes?
La 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 la.
Oh, Kiko, I thought you'd be fair. That's not fair.
Hey, Lola Pagong, it was just a game. Ha 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 ha.
And so, Kiko enjoyed all the mangoes by himself. But Lola Pagong taught him a valuable lesson that day. True intelligence isn't just about smart, but also being honest. Deceit doesn't bring true happiness.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lola. Sorry, Lola Pagong. I won't do it next time. Sorry.
And with that, Kiko learned a very important lesson about honesty and friendship. The end.